Hey, Comic Spirits, Corey Armstrong here. So, hope you all are ready because I have a really good impersonation to do, which happens to be Stephen Wright. Now, if y'all don't know who Stephen Wright is, he's this blonde-haired frown guy that kind of has a low, deep voice. Like he's such a downer and kind of talks like this. Hey, I'm Stephen Wright, and I'm a single depressed downer. But other than that, he can sure entertain everybody. And he's someone on Saturday Night Live, and I don't know how funny he is, but I've seen him in most movies. So anyway, I am going to do an impersonation of Stephen Wright from the movie Reservoir Dogs, where he does this K. Billy Super Sound of the 70s host or something, I don't know. So here it goes. K. Billy Super Sounds of the 70s weekdays keeps on coming with Lil Greenback. And don't forget, we have another great song that comes out in May 21, May of 1970. Other than that, we have Mrs. Robinson in the house, so be prepared for that, K-Billies. Alright, so that's all I know from his speech. So tell me what you guys think, and let me know how I did. So boy, I have a lot of impersonations to do in the future, so if any of you out there know any good actors or famous people or people who do commercials or wrestling superstars or singers, just please let me know and I would be happy to do it. Some that would best fit me. So anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. Please tell me what you think of the impersonation. Like and subscribe to my channel. And always remember to keep your spirits up.